Hi boys and girls, I'm back into the Compass kitchen to do some cooking. Today we're going to make hummus, but not a hummus that you usually eat. This is called a beet hummus, and it turns out to be a really pretty color, and it's delicious. And everyone is always a little nervous about eating it, but it's delicious. So we're going to use something that's called cannellini beans, and they're a smooth bean, and you buy them in a can. We're going to use beets, and beets are a hard vegetable, and they're red and round like this. See, they've been peeled and they're cooked already, and I'm going to put them right in. They're delicious and they're really good for you, and they're a beautiful color. I'm going to add one more beet. I'm going to make sure I cut it up a little bit so that the food processor can break it down smoothly. This is called a head of garlic, and each little clove of garlic is how you use it, and you peel off all that outer skin. So I have 2 pieces of garlic. I have some lemon, fresh lemon, and I'm going to squeeze that in. And I have my secret ingredient, which is called horseradish. Horseradish you buy in a container, and it'll give it a nice flavor. So I put that in, finish that up. Now I'm going to turn my food processor on, and I'm going to make it nice and smooth. Give it a little mix so it gets all blended together. Now this time, as it's on, I'm going to add some olive oil right on the top. Okay, it's nice and smooth like hummus, and you can use vegetables to try it. Delicious. The only thing I would add is a little salt, maybe. There you go, boys and girls. Beet hummus.